Our second highly commended award goes to Carson & Sons Limited Jervois Quay Emergency Stormwater Upgrade 2021. The Jervois Quay Stormwater Upgrade project was initiated due to the potential risk of a major road collapse on one of the main thoroughfares through Wellington CBD. Wellington Water engaged the services of Carson & Sons to undertake this project to construct a replacement 750mm reinforced concrete stormwater main 2.5 metres deep in a tidal environment. Careful planning and a detailed methodology was undertaken for this full lane closure that required the collaboration of a number of suppliers. Temporary traffic management played an integral part of the project, with 17 separate sites required to manage the various closures 24/7. Despite all the challenges and risks, the project was delivered ahead of time, constructed to a very high standard, with both clients, WWL and WCC, very happy with the project outcome. Congratulations.
Thank you all. Unfortunately, Eddie couldn't make it tonight. He decided to go and get COVID. Very poor planning on his behalf. This job was about planning, it was about people and about relationships. We worked with a lot of people, Waka Kotahi, Wellington City Council, Wellington Water, our designers at GHD, and ourselves and our contractors, GP Friel, Ian Ramsbottom and McCormick's, and other people, including Downers. We made this thing work by people and relationships. And it's great to actually have great people to work with. Thank you very much.